Hello friends, welcome to Deepika's recipes. Today we are going to make tilachivadi. It's a winter special recipe. We prepare this recipe on Makar Sankranti. So let's learn how to prepare tilachivadi. Roast white sesame seeds well on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool. For making syrup, heat up a pan on medium heat and add Gudh or Jaggery. Now add 2 teaspoons water and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and mix well. Cook until Gudh melts and the mixture should be homogeneous. Do not overcook the syrup. Now add the roasted peanuts and til. Mix it quickly. Grease a plate well and transfer the mixture into it. Spread the mixture. Complete this process as fast as possible before Gudh sets. Let the mixture set for 5 minutes. Cut it into vadi of size and shape you want. Cut the vadi while the mixture is still hot. Let the vadi cool down. Take off the vadis one by one. Shenga Til Vadi is ready for this Makar Sankranti. I hope you like this recipe. Please try this at home and enjoy. Do like, share and subscribe to Deepika's recipes. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you.